Prognosticate is a verb that means to predict or foretell future events based on present signs or knowledge. Origins. The word comes from the Latin prognosticare, which means to make a forecast, derived from Greek prognostikos, knowing beforehand. It has been in English use since the late Middle Ages. Explanation and usage. Prognosticate is often used in formal or literary contexts to describe predictions, particularly in areas like weather forecasting, economics and medicine. Example sentences. The dark clouds seem to prognosticate an approaching storm. Ancient astrologers claim to prognosticate the fate of kings through the stars. Cultural significance. The term is frequently associated with professional forecasting in science and business. It also appears in discussions of superstition, where people attempt to predict the future through omens or mystical means. Synonyms: foresee, to anticipate or expect a future event. Predict, to declare an outcome before it happens. Augur, to suggest a future outcome, often based on signs or omens. Antonyms: ignore, to overlook or dismiss future possibilities. Misinterpret, to misunderstand signs or data. Doubt, to lack confidence in a prediction. Key takeaway: prognosticate refers to the act of predicting future events based on evidence, expertise, or signs. It conveys a sense of informed foresight, whether in scientific analysis or more mystical traditions. Subscribe.